everyone, this is Utsav from Wow Production, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove anything from an image in Photoshop. So I'll be demonstrating this to you by the help of two different photographs. So let's get started. What I have to do is we have to just go and duplicate the main layer so that you have the backup of the image, and we're gonna go and choose spot healing brush tool or press J to select the spot healing brush tool and make sure the type is content aware. The whole thing is about the content aware thing. And to do spot healing, what you have to do is you just have to zoom in to the object, whatever you have to remove from the image, and you just have to paint it over it. So I'll be painting here like this, and as you can see, the object has been removed successfully. So this is the before and this is the after when the object is removed completely. So I'll be showing you this again on a different photo of like this. So I'll do the same thing again. I'll just duplicate the background layer, I'll choose the spot healing tool and I'll zoom it over it, and I'll just brush it to the max, and here you go. As you can see, the object has been removed completely. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get the latest notification about my latest updates, and make sure you comment down in the comment section and tell me what you guys want to see in the next video, whatever, like a speed art or a photo manipulation. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. We'll watch you. I'll see you in the next one.